Hello students, today I shall solve question number 5, exercise 8.1 trigonometry for class 10. Question is given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios, right? We know that sine is equal to p by h, cos is equal to b by h, tan equal to P by B, and this is three trigonometric ratio and three more trigonometric ratios. Opposite of these ratios are there. So all along six trigonometric ratios are there. One ratio is given in the question, so we have to find other six ratios. Opposite of sine will be cosec, that will be h by p. Opposite of cos, it will be h by b, that will be sec. And for opposite of tan, cot will be there, that will be b by h, right? So in question it is given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Sec is opposite of cos, so it will be h by b, h by b. So by this equation, h will be 13, b will be 12, and we have to find first p is equal to what? H square is equal to p square by b square. By Pythagoras theorem we know here h square is 13 square, p square we have to find, b square is 12 square. So what will be? P square will be 13 square minus 12 square. P will be root over 13 square minus 12 square, right? It will be, P will be 13 square is 169, 12 square is equal to 144. P will be root over 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. So 25, its root will be 5. So P will be 5, right? Now all the sides of the triangle we have got. P is equal to 5, B is equal to already given 12, H equal to 13. So these are our three sides, right? Now draw a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle A, B, C. At B it is right angle, so AC will be opposite of right angle, will be hypotenuse, right? Opposite of right angle is called hypotenuse. You may be knowing it is the largest side. So H is equal to 13. AB, B is equal to 12. This is angle A, this is theta. Measurement of angle A is theta as given in the question sec theta. So it is theta. So for theta, angle theta, perpendicular will be BC. P will be here. Perpendicular will be how much? 5. It is BC is opposite to the given angle theta, so it will be perpendicular. For angle theta, AB will be base. It is 12. It is 12, right? So all sides of the right angle triangle ABC I have found. Angle theta is there. For theta, P is equal to 5, B is equal to 12, H is equal to 13. Okay. So now give all the six trigonometric ratios. First of all, sine theta will be P by H, perpendicular by H. Perpendicular is how much? 5. H is equal to 13. Sin theta is equal to 5 by 13. Cos theta will be B by H. B is equal to 12. H is equal to 13. Tan theta is equal to P by B, P is equal to 5, B is equal to 12. Now cosec theta, cosec is opposite of this sin theta, so it will be h by p, it will be 13 by 5, right? Sec theta, it is given in question, so it does not need to write here. Again, cot theta will be, cot is opposite of tan, so it will be, tan is p by b, so it will be b by p. P, it will be b by p. B is 12, p is 5, so it will be 5. All trigonometric ratios we have found. This is the answer. Tan's opposite will be cot. Right? So we have found sin theta, p by h, p is 5 here, h is equal to 13, cos theta, b by h, b is 12 in the triangle for angle theta, 12 by 13, tan is equal to p by b, p is 5, b is equal to 12, opposite of sin, cosec, h by p, 13 by p, opposite of tan, cot is there, cot theta, b by p, 12 by 5. Right? This is the answer. If you liked it, please like and subscribe this channel. Thanks.